would say my role is to just learn as much about the project lifespan as I can and be able to understand and communicate with all the different operating groups.
Unboxing new devices to troubleshooting apps, I get hands-on with the tech that keeps everything running. At Baker, IT is more than just support. It's a system behind the success.
I've shadowed engineers and visited job sites, and I've realized this is what I want to do as an electrical engineer.
IT isn't just about tech, it's about constant learning and always adapting. You have to sometimes step up and be the hero and fix the Wi-Fi when it doesn't work. Safe to say, I found my spark.
Teach as much as I can, get them involved in as much as I can, and really hopefully foster the environment that they're looking for and to be in, and to really give them any information they can to grow in their opportunity and their career.
My project manager comes in and he says, "Hey Ian, we need you to do a quantity takeoff. We're preparing a purchase order for buyout, and it's about $300,000, and we need your help with it." That was my second day. I barely learned anyone's names.
Hi, I'm Aubrey Kaiser. This is my second summer with Baker, and I decided to come back because my experience was so great last summer, and I wanted more hands-on experience.
I've learned how a project comes to life before a single wire is even installed.
Designing PV systems is like solving a puzzle with a purpose. Every detail matters, and every moment that I'm designing them reminds me that I'm making an impact behind the scenes.
Managing projects means coordinating teams, tracking progress, and solving problems on the fly. I learned how to keep everything running smoothly and to wear a lot of sunscreen.
It's an actual electrical project, a building, gear replacement, or the project that you're given as an intern and you're responsible for. Each project is something that benefits Baker as a whole going forward. So I think that's a pretty remarkable deal.
Oh, hey friends, didn't see you there. It's been a long time since we last met. A lot's changed. Interning in solar meant working on projects that turn sunlight into meaningful solutions. Every day, I was helping power real change, and now I'm back full-time, charging towards the future.
Hi, I'm Logan Williams. I've interned here at Baker for 3 summers, and each summer I learned something new to help me with my current role here as marketing content coordinator.
In marketing, we give the interns the same tools we use on the job. Cameras, laptops, what have you. Most importantly, we give them real responsibility.
You are a part of Baker from day one, and Baker is one.
It's rewarding to tell Baker's story in a way that reflects my own voice. I get to be creative while highlighting the people and values that make the company stand out.